How to make Skibidi toilet in your Infinite Craft game just on your laptop or PC here. So for this what we have to do is I will simply open my browser here and launch the game, that is Infinite Craft. Then I will launch you to the official website where the steps will be listed, but how can you do it? So let's go on this here. You can see that to make Skibidi toilet in Infinite Craft here, I have to follow these steps. First one is combine the mouth block with word to form talk. Then combine talk and head to create a chatterbox. Then add another head to get talking head. Then mix with talking head with toilet to create a talking toilet. Hereafter, finally combine talking toilet with Skibidi to get Skibidi toilet in your Infinite Craft game. This is the video. This is all about how can you create a Skibidi toilet just with the help of these steps on your website, that is Infinite Craft. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and views like this.